Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just created a video on how to get rid of the center. But this is what it looks like. It's got, in his picture, has rounded edges on the left-hand side of the D. That's very easily fixed. And all I would do, other than that, it's pretty close. And what you could do is bring in this D that's his original picture. And let's make it a little bit smaller so it kind of fits inside of our D, and then that time I grab my line. They're closer. So we're going to take this corner now. Let's get a little bit closer. Let me see. Nudge is 0.001. Let's move this thing over. Get it right on the line or close. Now take your shape tool and click right there. Double click on your line. Double click on your line. Take those three nodes and convert them to a curve. Take away the center node, and then just take your handles, and don't worry about that it's not, you're thinking, well, the bottom's not done and we're doing the top, because we're going to make them equal. And for the video, that's good enough. You could spend as much time as you wanted. And actually the D is probably too big across here, but this is very easily done. Just delete some nodes you don't think you need, and then you can change these handles. And let's bring this node in, and then bring this. I'm just bringing the handles in, and let's click on this one again and bring this one just out just a hair. All right, for the video that's good enough. Let's move this out of the way. Now we've only got one corner rounded, but that's very easily fixed. Control D and make a duplicate and flip it horizontally, or vertically, I mean. Take your Smart Fill tool and fill it in. Move your Smart Fill away, left click, right click. So now you have that shape of the D of that exact item, because you could spend hours looking for a font like that with those rounded corners on that D, and if he's really trying to duplicate it perfectly, that's pretty much a dead-on match. And I might make one more video and show you how to actually match up those colors. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.